So today, me and Opie, we're out here doing a lot of scouting. Basically, just reading the land, all of the animal scents, Opie's picking them up. Basically like creating a network. I've been kind of posting a lot of videos on light gridding. And this is a big part of it, is actually getting out and doing like the field work. Best way to light up those brain centers to allow you to have those geomantic abilities, earth divination abilities, is really a lot about going out, physically scouting the land, the field work. And that's why you'll see me a lot out here, is that I'm just picking up information. We talked about light being in form. Sometimes it just takes a little walk in the forest to kind of realign yourself. I once learned from a ranger friend to really dig your heels into the earth. A lot of times I would be so light-footed and afraid really to kind of ground into my body. But after I went on a really long hike with this really experienced ranger, he showed me how to really steady your feet, really make sure that what you're stepping on is actually, solid. A lot of times that has actually saved me. And so, yeah, it's really good to kind of put your body weight down into the earth as you're scouting. Well, looks like we found an arch, and I spoke to you about the mysticism, the folklore of natural arches. I always set my intention before I go underneath. Wow. There's definitely some mystical energy in here. We're pretty far in here now, so I'm just gonna sit with myself and ask Mother Earth what she would like me to know. Oh wow. Looks like we came up on a trail. So you'll see a lot of times me and Opie don't take the actual trail, because you'll just be reading the ley line that everyone has kind of passed through and deposited. A lot of times when I am following a trail, I pick up on human thoughts, things that people have sort of left along the trail, because thoughts are things, it's form. So that's why me and Opie will go off trail. That's the best way to get the most fresh Gaian messages. Not so much the human messages that you would get on a trail like this. But that's okay.